Hi friends, welcome to my channel My Sakhi. Today we are going to make masala vada pav, which is famous Mumbai street food. So let's quickly start making it. So first of all we will prepare the gram flour batter for frying the vada. So here I will take 300 grams of gram flour. You take gram flour according to your requirement. Now we will add 1 teaspoonful of baking soda in it. Half tablespoon turmeric powder. And here we will add salt as per requirement. Now we will add water little by little to it and mix it well. We should not add water in it all at once, because if even a little bit of more water is added, then this batter will become very thin and it will not get a good coating on a vada. So we will add water little by little and prepare a batter of medium thick consistency. And also it's important to beat this batter well with the hand beater so that there are no lumps in it. It will take effort and time, but you will see how nice and smooth batter will be. So here the batter is ready to fry the vadas. You can see how perfect, smooth and medium thick it is prepared. Now we will take as much oil as we can deep fry all the things. So we will heat the oil on a high flame, and once it becomes heated, turn the flame of the stove to medium high. So first of all we will fry 15 to 20 garlic cloves in this oil. We are going to make a tasty dry garlic chutney with this garlic. This chutney is necessary to enhance the taste of vada pav, so don't skip it and definitely make this chutney. Here garlic has been fried. Now we will take it out. And in this we will fry whole green chilies. If you and your family prefer spicy food, then you should also fry green chilies and serve it with vada pav. So here the chilies have also been fried. We will take them out. Now we will fry small drops of gram flour batter in it. So at this stage we will keep the oil hot on a high flame only. And keep dropping drops of gram flour in oil using your finger like this. We don't need to give these drops any perfect shape. All we need are crispy gram flour bundis. So in this way we will fry this type of bundis till they become crispy. So here this has also been fried. Now we will take them out and fry the bundis like this in 2 to 3 batches. Now let's prepare the stuffing of vada. So here I am making vada of 5 potatoes. So accordingly we will add 1 tablespoon of oil in the pan and let the oil heat well. When the oil is hot we will add half tablespoon of mustard seeds and let them crackle well. Due to the oil being hot, these seeds will not take a time to crackle. It will start crackling as soon as it is added. So now we will add curry leaves to it and fry this also for 5 to 6 seconds. Now we will add 1 tablespoonful of turmeric powder to it, half tablespoon of asafoetida and salt as per taste. Along with this we will add 1 spoonful of ginger garlic paste and 2 spoonsful of spicy green chili paste. Now we will mix all this and fry it on medium-high flame. Quantity of green chili paste is depending on how spicy you want to make these vadas. You can increase or decrease the amount according to your taste. So here we have roasted the spices well. So now we will add boiled potatoes to it. I had already boiled the potatoes and mashed them. Now mix these potatoes and spices together well. While mixing them, we will also add finely chopped green chilies and some green coriander so that it gets mixed well with the potatoes. We will turn off the flame of the stove before adding the potatoes because everything is already cooked here. We don't need to cook anything in it now. So now after mixing the stuffing well, keep it aside to cool. Now we will prepare dry garlic chutney from the bundis and the garlic that we had fried. Here I have taken 1 bowl bundis. Add fried garlic cloves to it. Along with this we will add 2 spoonful of medium spicy red chili powder. If you like spicy food then you can also add spicy red chili powder. Now we will grind all this in the mixer grinder. So here you can see that we had ground all these things well and instant dry garlic chutney is ready. Now out of the stuffing that we had prepared for vada, we will make balls like this. We will dip these vadas thoroughly in gram flour batter and in this way deep fry them on a medium-high flame. Here it's important to keep the gram flour batter a little thick so that the coating remains well on the vadas. If your batter is thin, then you can add 2 to 4 spoons of gram flour in the batter and add some salt accordingly and mix it well again and make it thick. Now we will turn these vadas and fry them on a high flame from the other side also. These should not absorb too much oil, hence we will fry them quickly on a medium-high flame. So here these vadas are fried well from both sides. In the same way we will fry all the vadas and prepare them. Now here we are going to serve this vada with masala pav. So now we will prepare the chutney to apply on pav. So here we will fry this chutney by adding 2 to 3 spoonful of oil in a pan. I have made this chutney by adding half a cup of garlic, 4 spoonful of red chili powder and salt as per taste. Along with this we will add 1 medium spoonful of chaat masala powder, 1 spoonful of medium spicy red chili powder and little chopped coriander leaves and fry it on a medium-high flame. Roast it thoroughly for 1 minute while continuously turning it so that there is no rawness in it. So after mixing it thoroughly for some time, we will now add 2 tablespoonful of butter to it. And melt butter in this chutney and mix it well. So here the masala chutney for the pav is ready. Transfer it to a different bowl. You can also make this chutney more spicy according to your requirement. I have kept it medium spicy here. Now we will leave 1 spoonful of chutney in this pan. And in this we will fry the pav well from the both sides so that the pav becomes little crispy. Here I am going to serve vadas with this masala pav, so I will not add green chutney to it. If you require green chutney then you can add it. So here the pav is well coated with this spicy chutney from both the sides. So with this pav we will enjoy vada, gram flour chura, garlic dry chutney and spicy fried green chilies. So how did you like this masala vada pav recipe? Do let me know by commenting. If you like the recipe then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.